What is going on, everyone? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe again, and in today's video, I would like to review a really key tip for trend traders out there, and I think this is often one of the most overlooked skills in the industry, which is which trades should I stay out of and why. Thank you so much for coming back to this video today. Please like and subscribe to this video so that I can be encouraged to make more of these trainings each week. And today I'm really excited to share a tip that took me way too long to learn through trial and error, and I think as a trend trader can really improve your performance. So to get started, we can look at natural gas, which is kind of my bread and butter futures instrument to trade each day, and I typically really like how this instrument trends in specific. So I think this is a perfect example to just show the group, and it is a real-time moving chart. So I think it's a great example. But to start, and kind of the main point of this video, is even when there is a clear trend, which today I really liked it. I took a trade actually right around 8:15 for one of these pops into the prior resistance level. So I took a pretty great uptrend trade today, or a breakout retest, came back down to my zone, got in, scaled out once it got up to those resistance levels that it had hit closer to like 8 o'clock. The thing is, and the thing you want to be really careful about, is the second touch to the key zone. This is where a lot of traders originally get in, and as you can see, this is already breaking the level, which is a perfect example as to why to watch out for this. So whenever a key zone or level is set in the chart, you want to be really careful trading it after multiple touches. So you can see in this case, right, it came down to the level, I got in, and then it scaled up exactly to where it went last time, and it offered a perfect trade. The second time, though, however, when it dropped down to the key level, one thing from a price action perspective that you want to be really careful with is what was the move like. So if we scroll back a little bit before this dip that's happening right now, when we did push up this second time, we did not go as high. So we can see right there that instead of going to that 4.085 level, we only made it up to that 4.7-ish level, and it really slowed down here as well. So it didn't go straight up like it went last time. It struggled once it even got to like 4.05. It had a pretty big pullback in this region as well. So one thing you want to be really careful with when trend trading is you only want to get in with the trend, in this case an uptrend, when it's making higher highs and higher lows. Once it begins to make lower highs, which in this case it did, right, it made a lower high this second time, based on my testing and based on my strategy, those pullbacks are extremely dangerous. As you can see, it would have already almost stopped us out based on my stop loss that gets automatically triggered. So it would have already warranted a loss, but this is why, right? From a price action perspective, if there's not enough buyers to push it higher, it's most likely either going to turn around or have trouble at that key zone, because a lot of buyers look at this and realize that it's not as strong as it once was. So why would you buy something if it's losing strength or losing momentum? Same thing on the short side. If you are shorting a future or a stock or crypto and it is not making lower lows and lower highs, that is where you can lose money, because people are not shorting it at those levels where they should be. So if it's not making lower lows and lower highs, that's where you can get into some serious trouble. I've found that just avoiding these trades can boost profits and boost your win rate tremendously, because you're basically staying out of this noise and only taking the best of the best in the trend trading space. So with that, thank you so much again for coming to the video. Hope this quick tip really helps this week, and moving forward, try and incorporate this into your trading, and I think you'll be very surprised with the results. Thanks for tuning in for today's session, and we'll see you next time.